My name is Rick, and in this video we'll play our fourth blues solo from the pentatonic scale Guitar Solo Trainer. So let's go to page 10 and take out your fretboard chart and pattern 4 guide. Our practice song will start on a C chord. That means our root note will be a C. So let's line up our pattern guide with C notes showing through the red root note markers. We'll be playing just 5 notes out of the pattern, so let's find where they're located. On string 1, the thinnest string, we have C and E flat. On string 2, G and a B flat. And on string 3, just an F. Practice those a few times and we'll go right to track 14, our fourth blues solo. Let's wait for the 4 counts before we start. Ready? Here we go. 14. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very nice. Practice that as many times as you'd like, and we'll move on to track 15, which is the same practice, only a little faster. Okay, ready for this? We'll listen for the 4 counts.
Track 15.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And there you have it, our fourth blues solo. In our next video, we'll use the 5th and last pattern moving up the fretboard. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye for now.